video I'm going to show you how you can actually put your draft messages onto the campaign that you've created within AWeber. It's very, very simple to do. All you will do is click on this is your campaign list here. You click on the campaign that you've got, and that will then take you to a page here. Now what you need to do first and foremost is that with the very first messages you need to click on send a message, because this bit here initially will all be blank. So there won't be anything there at all, but your messages are going to look or go into there and look exactly as mine do. To achieve that, you click on, you literally will drag send a message into the middle here, and that will then produce that look there. What you'll then do when that happens, you'll then get an open up a side on here which will say, where it's got add automation, it will there will be written choose a message. You click on that and all of your draft messages will be chosen, and you simply pick the one that you want to put, and it will then add that into there, so that that message there will be your first message. What you then need to do is drag the weight underneath the first message, which will then have apply the tag. Now that will be your welcome message, so you'll obviously have that going out immediately. And then to get the rest of your messages into your campaign, you repeat the process. You drag send a message over and you put it here. That will then, you then choose your messages from across here. Forget the add automation, because that will be something different. That will be choose your message. You put your message there. The apply tag will immediately apply it there, come under there. And then you repeat that for all of the messages that you've then got to go out, and it will automatically add the sequential number to go out. So if your first message is, your next message is to go out a day after the previous one, that's what will happen. And that's how you add all of your messages to your campaign. When you're done, you literally will come down to the bottom here, click save and exit, and then all of your messages will then be added into your campaign within AWeber. And that's how you add your campaign, your messages to your campaign. That's how you do it. Very, very simple. Thanks very much indeed for watching.